Good evening, I'm Lauren Wood. Dave Sass has the night off. Last night at 11, we told you the East Liverpool Board of Education implemented a new teacher's contract without both parties agreeing to it. Well, tonight, 27 investigates and dug a little deeper for you to find out if that action was legal. WKBN First News reporter Derek Lewis joins me now with what he found out.
Yeah, when I spoke to the East Liverpool School Board's vice president yesterday and the spokesperson for the union, they both gave me totally opposite views on this situation. One said implementing the contract is legal and the other said it's not. The attorney I spoke with today says it's not that black and white.
It's not really fair labor practice. It's really not going the union process.
According to our attorneys, yes, it is.
The East Liverpool Education Association is not happy about how things have been going with the process of new contract negotiations. In fact, the union says during the final days, there were no negotiations. The school board voted to approve the contract Monday night without an agreement.
And I can tell you there's a lot of gray when it comes to negotiations. So this is far from over.
Attorney David English served on Mahoney County's board for 15 years. He says this move by the East Liverpool School District can be seen as legal.
They would have had to interpret their actions as actually reaching a final impasse in some formalized way.
An impasse is when both sides have reached the end of what they can offer. The board says they went to the union with a contract they called the last best offer.
The union would have given their best offer and the school board would have made their best offer. And they would call those final offers to each other. And one of them has to prevail or the parties need to continue to negotiate.
The union was not satisfied with details of job security in their contract and what's covered under the insurance from their new provider.
And the union, I'm sure, is going to challenge it by sending a unfair labor practice to Columbus saying, look, the school board and the union never reached a final or an ultimate impasse.
Now, David says the unfair labor practice in Columbus will determine whether there was an ultimate impasse involved. No word yet on how long it would take for that ruling. Derek Lewis, 27 First News at 11.